Up to date with my progress in Forex trading, trading with a 5,000 euro account and trying to marginally grow it steadily to a much higher account, treating this as a just day-to-day extra money account and not swinging for the fences. Yesterday I had a super great day. I almost made 500 euros. Yesterday was the ECB meeting talking about the future plans for the stimulus on the euro. It was a very volatile session, and you should ultimately stay away from sessions like this because it's unknown how the market will react to whatever the ECB president is saying. Anyways, I traded nonetheless, and I did really well. I made almost 500 yesterday. Let's have a look at that. So here is history for yesterday. So if you just go through all my trades, I took a ton of trades yesterday. And if you just scroll down here, we can see all of my profits, which were absolutely amazing yesterday. Very minimal losses, very small losses if I did take any. And we ended the day at 468 euros, which is, I was very happy with that. My daily goal is actually just 100 to 120. That's my daily goal. Actually, 75 to 100 is my daily goal. And I reached 468. That's 5 times my daily goal. So I'm very happy about that. And today I'm also made money so far. Let's look at today. Today is we're midday here in Europe at the moment. As I'm recording this, you can see the time here. We're just at 1 o'clock midday London session. I live in Europe and I only mostly trade the London session. So if we go to today, we don't need the McAfee offer. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Can you please go away? Would you please go away? Oh, this is McAfee. What a pain. Yeah, it's finally gone. Okay, so today I am at 53 so far, which is not bad. My account is in more trouble than I like it to be. I continue shorting the German index and it continues rising. I have taken some longs in the German index today, but I shut them down quite quickly. As I continue, for some reason, expect the European market to cool down. In fact, it is actually heating up. So I am very wrong on my German indexes. I have too many shorts and it's gotten me into trouble. I hope it will reverse soon. But as you can see, I've only got 260% margin left. This is what I would still be able to use, which is still quite a lot. But 260 is where I'm at, and at 50% I would be get margin called. So my account is now at 62.45. I started with 5,000 on September 4th. So the threat to my account are these German index positions. Let's see if I can minimize, bring this down lower on the German. Let's go to the open positions. I have 22 positions, which is also way too much. You're supposed to only take like 5 to 7 trades per week. That's how you're supposed to trade Forex, and I am trading all day, every day. That's something I haven't been able to get out of my system. But at the same time, I've watched a trader out of England turn 2,000 into £500,000 in like a month and a half. Yes, that's £500,000. 2,000 pounds to £500,000 in a month and a half. I'm not going to go that aggressive. I used to be that aggressive. I used to have those kind of goals and ideas in mind, and I've blown up each and every Forex account that I've ever deposited in. I've lost a ton of money because of it, and now I'm trying to take a more cautious approach by taking 5,000 and trying to grow it exponentially day by day with just a €100 goal. That's still 2,000 a month. That's still 24,000 in a year. That's if I get 24,000 extra a year, that would be amazing. So let's focus on these German positions for a moment. So here's my open positions. So we go. Let's see. If you just focus on the German market itself, I can sort. There we go. Now I'm sorted only in my German positions. Look at that. Look at this. All short positions. Look at this. And they're all in the minus. Except this last one I just shorted a few minutes ago. Look at this. This is what's killing my account. I mean, I'm down totally. I'm down $2,300 in my account in total, and a lot of it is because of this. All shorting in the German market when in fact it is not going down. So let's focus on those positions on the charts. Let's pull this down. Here we are, and you can see for yourself. Whatever you're on a 15 time frame. Let's switch it to a wider time frame so maybe you can see them all at once. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, here they all are. Is there one lower? No, there isn't. Okay, good. So here you can see them. All the shorts stacked up here. Look how many. Too many. Really have got it by the short end of the stick in a big way to go short. This was the initial short, and then I said, oh, let's go short here. Oh, short here. Oh, short there. Oh, short here. Short. Why am I shorting the German market this much when in fact it's rising? Not good. But my account can handle it for the moment, and I still believe there's some sort of big adjustment coming that will collect at least half of these. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm hoping for. It hasn't happened so far. So let's see how my account progresses. This is the single biggest factor for my being in danger is these German positions. So for the rest, I play the euro a little bit here and there. I got 2 shorts on that. Canadian, I have just 2 positions open here. I haven't got any here. Don't touch that. Don't touch the ends. Euro Canadian, do I have anything? Nope, I do not. I like to play a bit of oil as well. I've got a long and a long, and that is currently also out of the money at the moment. I expected oil to fully rise after there was a huge drawdown this week, and yet it has fallen. I took this position on the news of the big drawdown, and it instead has only fallen since that moment. Then I took another long here, and it's fallen instead again. So you never know with the oil market. There was a huge drawdown, yet it fell. It's not supposed to happen like that. Oil is very hard to predict. I do like playing it because the spread is very low and it's free. There are no commissions with IC markets. So that is a reason why I like to play it as well. I dabble in gold once in a while. There is commissions on this one. And I don't have any position. This is actually a sell order, but I don't have any positions in oil. In gold. I don't actually like playing the gold. It's very unpredictable, and it's second to the oil actually. So if we go back, what I'm really concentrating is the German, the pound, and the UK market. The pound because it's so extremely volatile. I mean, I did make some money on it yesterday, and then today it's risen like a rocket. And in turn, I am shorting the pound because I think it will fall. Nothing has changed. There are no Brexit plans. There's still a no-deal Brexit, October 31st. Nothing has changed. I think this sucker will still drop to the lower 22s, even to the 21s. I'm ready for it when it happens. I like to also play in the UK market because if the pound is up, the UK market is down. If the pound is down, the UK market is up. That is the usual correlation. Not to be dependent upon, though, at any time, in no way, but that's how it works. That's how it can work, but don't depend on it. Have your stop losses ready. Be ready to act if it goes the other way. So that is my positions. I also sometimes take the US market because it also, the margin required is only, let's see here, 27 euros out of my account. And there's also a pretty tight spread, and there's also no commissions on that. Although the C-Trader program, or the IC Markets and C-Trader have said that the target is actually going to be up here. But nonetheless, when it reaches these tops, I do short it. I'm going to take a short right now. As you're watching, there you go. I just took a short because it's actually, in a way, triple tops. 1 and 2, 3, even 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tops. That's now should be set for a short. So I've just taken a short, and I've taken just one position, the smallest I can get. In the past, I would take gigantic positions. I'd be so sure what would happen here next, I would go 10 lots or whatever, or 5 lots. Not going to do it, just one lot, the smallest, one position. I'm going to monitor it, and as soon as it goes above this line here, I'm out of it. So as soon as it reaches that, I am out. So that is what I'm going to be watching for as the US market will open at 3:30 Central European time. If you just go over to my FX book here, we can also follow along here. So same, still IC markets, 100 to 1, using the C trader. I'm up 25% for the month, which is no, on this account, not for the month, since I started this account September 4th. So that's extremely, extremely well. I'm really happy with that. You can see the balance is slowly growing, the profit slowly been growing. So I started, yes, September 4th. The profit has been steadily being grown. Very, 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 very nice. I'm now up to 1,024, 1,240 on a 5,000 account. Very nice. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So if you look at this, you can see some of my open. Here's what I made today so far that I updated an hour ago. So I'm less than 1% up on my account. This week I've done 17%, and the month and the year, there you go again. Accuracy remains at 77%. I've taken 355 trades since September 4th, and I am 77%. That's very, very good. That's above 75. That's excellent. And there you can see the graph confirming it again. So it's all the same. Just I'm showing you my FX books because it cannot be doctored, and it just confirms what I'm showing you on my IC Markets C Trader. And this cannot be doctored. It's the real deal, just so you could follow along on that. I use IC Markets already for the last 4 years. Look at my review video of that on this channel. I completely recommend you using them. Fair commissions, fair spreads, tiny spreads, and even no commissions on the indexes and the oil. I mean, you can't beat that. Great customer service. I have my questions answered within 15 minutes, and deposits are free, withdrawals are free. You can use credit cards, you can use PayPal, or just a bank transfer. Deposits are dealt with the withdrawals are dealt with very quickly, as long as you put in your deposit before 12 noon Australia Sydney time. They will be handled the same day. I've had no problems with withdrawals as well. So I really recommend IC Markets as your Forex broker. Start a demo account with them first, try them out, and then if you like it, switch to a live account. My referral link to IC Markets is below this video. And please leave any comments if you have any. I would love to interact with you. And I will talk to you during my next video when I update once again. Thank you very much. Goodbye.